Hi, today I'm here to show you my experiment on Creator by using the topic force. The materials I've used for the experiments are ruler, cocoa powder, flour, tray, and object with mass. So you must be wondering, how does an experiment on Creator help demonstrate on energy or curve? So let's take a look at the experiment to understand more. I'm gonna drop object from 1 inch and see what happens. Now I'm gonna measure the depth of the object that I dropped at 1 inch. The depth is about 1 cm. Let's take a look at what happens when I try dropping the object at a higher level. But before the next step, we flatten the flour to make it a fair test. So now we throw the object from 5 inch and see what happens. And then we measure it again. This time it's about 1.5 cm depth. Lastly, I'll drop the object from around 7 inch and let's observe what happens. And then measure it with ruler again. This time it is about 2 cm depth.
In conclusion, gravitational potential energy of the object converts to kinetic energy of object when it falls. When it is about to hit the floor, all the gravitational potential energy will convert to kinetic energy of object, and the floor will gain more kinetic energy. When object enters into the floor, it experiences an average frictional force. This force multiplied by the sinking depth will be equal to the kinetic energy of object.
This is the work done by friction.
Thus, higher dropping heights will lead to greater kinetic energy, and velocity also gets higher. Greater kinetic energy will lead to deeper sinking depth if the frictional force remains the same. This is the principle of work-energy theorem.
Thank you!